Hi guys, my name is Vocoder, and this is my very first video. And today, I'm going to show you how to install shaders in Minecraft T Launcher or Original. Let's get started. The first thing to do is to download Optifine. I use Brave browser cause it's more safe than Chrome. It blocks adwares or any harmful ads. Anyway, links are in the description. First, you wanna head onto the Optifine website, and then follow me as I download. Use Brave browser to download safely. This link is safe. Don't worry, they don't earn money by using harmful ads. Press the skip button. After pressing, it redirects you to the download site. Press the download button. While it's downloading, choose any shaders you want. For now, I'll use the BSL. Link is in the description. Scroll down till you find this. Sometimes it only has one button, but today, as I record this, the creator added a preview of the new version. You may choose what version you want, it depends on you. It will download automatically. But for me, the IDM pops out, but it will stay here on the browser for others who don't have IDM. Now that it is done, open your launcher. I will use the T launcher cause others have cracked Minecraft. Big disclaimer, I am not promoting T launcher as your default Minecraft launcher. Buy the game, it supports the developer. In T launcher, the Optifine is already on the versions list, but for official Minecraft, you have to do this so that the version displays on the list. After installing, go to the download folder where your shader is, copy the shader to the shader pack folder. Open your search bar, then type %of.a%, then hit enter. After that, you can see the folder named .minecraft, open it and follow these steps. Now that we are done, run the game. While we are waiting, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, so that I can create more good content. It's just very easy. Okay, Since this is an entry-level laptop, or a very low-end laptop, I have to tweak the settings. Here are my specs. If you have the same specs, or have no dedicated GPU, follow these settings. Keep in mind that render distance depends on your RAM. If it's 4 gigs, set it to 2 to 3. Load the shader, but if you are a low-end gamer, follow the steps. We are ready to game. Let's load a world. Oof, that FPS though. But don't worry, erase a footage that this runs perfectly on my laptop. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. Goodbye.